Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna be doing a video on two knives that I recently had, which I'll tell you when I got them. Okay, first one we're gonna start with the mini knife. Is a multi-tool camel. Okay, so this one I got this Christmas Eve from aunt. Okay, what all you got on this knife is you got various tools, such as number one thing you need. You got saw, Phillips screwdriver, a can opener, knife blade, and a little LED nano flashlight. Right, but can I get it working? So yeah, okay. Now for this one, it's the bigger one. Okay, and I got this back in the summer, somewhere around May, June, July, somewhere around that. And I got this from my friend. Okay, and from my friend that you've seen them in videos, some of my videos, snowboarding videos. His name is Austin Ralph. So yeah, on this one you also get a pair of pliers. You get a bigger saw. You get a smaller can opener. You get another screwdriver, and you get a flathead screwdriver also for this. So let me just get pulled out and everything. And see, small. Okay. And then on this side you have your knife. Um, you have another flathead and another flathead. So these are the videos on my thing. And if you want me to do a question and answer video of my life, post a comment in any of my videos, and I'll write them down. I'll answer them, and I'll do a question and answer video. I'm also starting on doing a cover videos for any music, country, mostly country, but it's just gonna be country. So just if you want me to do a country thing, country cover, just post a comment in any of my videos. Also, for the question and answer one, post in any of my videos. So yeah, thanks for watching, and peace out.